One man is now in police custody while another man has been shot in relation to the murder of 14-year-old YETANYA Francis in Arnett Gardens.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
But as me tell you now, my daughter reveal in front of me already, she gonna come back home and she gonna tell me.
The police say they have a suspect in custody in relation to the murder of 14-year-old YETANYA Francis in Arnett Gardens last week. It is believed that the man was picked up during an operation in the community on Tuesday. We have one man in custody. He is being questioned in relation to the incident, but that is all we can see at this time, said Howard Chambers, head of the Kingston Western Police Division, in which the section of 12th Street in Arnett Gardens where the body of Francis was found falls. As the police continue their probe into the gruesome murder of Francis, whose body was also partially burnt, reports have emerged that a man was shot and injured in the community late on Tuesday. Reports are that the man was shot after being also taken into police custody and questioned in relation to the murder of Francis, but released thereafter. The police said after being released and going back into the community, the man was attacked and shot by men there. The police said they had found no evidence on which to hold the man in connection with the murder of the teenager. The man has since been admitted in hospital in serious condition. The partially burnt body of Francis, otherwise called Princess, was found behind a church on Friday morning, August 24, hours after she went missing on the Thursday night. Reports are that shortly after 9 p.m. on the Thursday in question, the teenager left home for a nearby shop to purchase food. When she did not return, her family members carried out a search for her. Approximately 11:30 a.m. on the Friday, her body was found near a church not far from where she lived. It is suspected that she was raped by multiple people, chopped in the head, her body dumped, then set ablaze. The teenager was a student of the Kingston Technical High School.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.